This is magnificent.
Hey, welcome to Been There, Done That Travel, and we are glad that you could show up and just hang out with us. We are on our way to Limón, which is the lemon. And so it is a beautiful waterfall located in the island of Samana. And so as you can see, we are actually on our boat. We just got off a bus ride that when we left Butucana, it took us probably about 2 hours from that location. And so from that location on the other side of the island there, we took this boat ride, which was about a 45-minute ride across to Samana. So once we get to Samana, we get off the boat, and you guessed it, we have another bus ride to take. So we get on another bus, as you can see, and we're actually going through the city. This ride actually will take approximately 45 minutes. And you're actually going to be going through the city. And once you go through the city, you're going to be going up into the mountainous area. So this is the city part of it right here. And then you're going to slowly go up. You're going to start to wind up into the mountains, and you'll have a beautiful view. It'll just show you all of the water, and you can just see, just really, really beautiful. And so that part of the ride is the weather. It's great. As you can see, we have some nice blue skies, no rain or anything like that. The air is so fresh and clear and crisp.
Okay, because it's difficult to go with that. They have boots included by the side. If you need soap, you buy one pair, $3. But the boots are included. You just let them know your size. You can ride like that, but it's a mother, so you can get dirty.
What's up?
Okay.
I think they give you the boots anyway. The boots are included, but if you need shoes.
So you already have this one? No, I just opened it.
Horseback riding in the mountains.
My friend. Hey.
La chica adelante.
Okay.
Super rubio.
Alrighty. So you come around here and you go down. Like I said, it's about a quarter mile worth of steps, so be prepared for that. Coming down is not too bad. But going up, be prepared. But I still insist that it is worth the walk. This is magnificent. It is so beautiful. It was worth it. It was worth every minute. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so we are in the Dominican Republic, and it is looking good. If you can see my backdrop back here, it is awesome. I'm gonna be taking quite a few pictures here and getting in the water. And so, if you ever get an opportunity to do this, I highly encourage it. Hey! Hey, hey. Looks like he's trying to eat my head, man. Yeah. He want my head. He like my head. No, no picture, man. No picture. Not right now. Not right now. Okay. How deep is it?
I don't know.
How deep? How deep is it?
Yeah, I do.
No, they wait for us until they take us back.
Okay.
That's the reason they take us.
Open your head. Good. Beautiful. I have it. Of course.